Hello everyone, this is Noor and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, yes, you guys see it in the title on top, it is another hair styling tool for you guys, and I'm here to give you guys the full honest review about what I think about this tool. So Hey Curls Toronto was super nice enough to contact me and send me their 5-in-1 Hair Styler Pro tool to try and review for you guys. So as you guys could see, I styled my hair with this today and I love the volume that this gives. So I'm really excited to dive in, talk to you guys about this product, show you how it works, and also give you my full honest review. Before I go ahead and start off this video, if you are new here to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by and watching my video. It really means a lot to me. And if you guys haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. And I would love to have you guys a part of the light family that I have here on my channel. So if you guys want to see how I styled my hair with this tool, please keep on watching. I'm about to get ready. Obviously I don't have any makeup on because your girl always likes to style her hair before jumping into her makeup, even if I'm doing something light and natural. Today I am in a little bit of a rush, but I'm here to show you guys this Hey Curls Toronto MultiStyler 5-in-1 Hair Styler Pro and give you guys all the juice and talk to you guys about it and just give you everything that you guys need to know about this stuff. I'm really excited, and I always get excited with styling my hair with something new. I just like something that is fast, sufficient, and can style my hair in seconds, but also gives me the volume that I'm looking for. So let's see if this works. So we're gonna go ahead and use the first head up here since my hair is still wet because I came out of the shower not too long ago and I really want to try this baby out. So let's go ahead and dry the hair and give you guys an idea on how this dries my hair and how fast also it dries my hair. I just zoomed you guys a little bit out, so let's try this out. Okay, so this dried my hair very nicely. Also, me dressing in black is not really the best right now, but you know what, let me just go change my top and I'll be right back. Now my hair is nicely dried a little bit. I'm gonna section it so I can really dry the roots very well. I do feel that the roots are still wet a little bit, so I'm just gonna go ahead and section it and dry it a little bit better. Okay, first section is dried. Let's go ahead and try the curl ones and see how these perform and how well these are gonna curl my hair. I added the curl and now I need to figure out if this is left or right. So let's figure it out together. So this is the first curl. Okay, your girl's impressed. Look at this bounce. I love it. Let's continue. Oh my god, look at the difference between both. This is my hair styled and this is my hair straight and weird looking. Oh my god. Okay, let's continue. I'm excited now. So first section is done. I really like this tool. I feel like it gives me soft curls rather than like super intense curls, which I really like it. And by the way, I've been using this on level 3, just an FYI. So I'm gonna continue styling my hair and forwarding this video and show you guys the end results. Honestly, I really like it. The machine itself, it works very well. I feel like it is really gentle on the hair. Like I feel like the heat of it is not too intense. Like I said, it gives me soft curls, which I really like. Like I said, it does have a gentle heat to it, which I really like. It is heat, like, you know, you can feel the heat, but it is gentle. I guess because I got used to my other hair blowers for being like really strong and styling pretty quickly. This one here is just a little bit gentle, and yeah, I really like it. I feel like my hair is not like getting harsh heat, which is really weird to explain, but I really do like it. So let's go ahead and continue on styling the hair. One thing I do have to say that this does not come with gloves for the heat, because removing the actual headpieces is very hot, so you need to be careful with your hands. So let's put on the second one, and by the way, you put it on and then you have to twist it to lock it in. I had like a little bit of issues with having the head stay on just because I was not putting them in correctly, so you just have to kind of like twist it a little bit. Ah, it's hot. All right, second section is done, and I do have to say that I've noticed few things with this is that the section of hair that you need to take, it should not be so thick, or else it won't hold up to the curl, especially because I feel like the heat of this, or just the section of the actual tool, it doesn't carry like too much of a hair section that you decide to section your hair. I don't know if that makes any sense, but you want to make sure that you have a thin section in order for this to hold, because if you go thicker, then they're gonna start falling off, as you guys saw. Now I do have to kind of compare a little bit with the one that I have already. I feel like the one that I have already, I got used to it being really fast and like with a really stronger suction, and then I can use like thicker sections of my hair and it just styles my hair in seconds. I feel this one just takes a little bit more time. I just feel like the power itself is not too strong. It still styles my hair super nicely, but it just takes a little bit of time. But yeah, let's continue. I still have one more section to go, and I'll give you guys my full review at the end. Hair is finally done. Let me go ahead and put some makeup on, just bring on some life to this face, and I'll be back to finish up this review with you guys. Alright, you guys, sorry, the black shirt is back and the hair is looking okay. I feel like the curls, like for me personally, I know you can't see them that well, but yeah, it's just not so curly. I feel like it kind of gives kind of like that light wave kind of vibe, which is really pretty too. I'm not hating, but I do have to say a couple of things about the actual tool itself. I just feel like it's a great tool, don't get me wrong, but I just feel like it is not strong enough. Also for the heat, I mean, you can feel the heat for sure, but it's not a strong heat either. I just feel like the suction isn't too strong. It is very, very light. So if you're looking for something that is lighter on the hair, that is not too strong, then this will be perfect for you guys. I do feel like the fact that it's not too strong, I feel like, I don't know, I get the impression of like my hair is getting styled but in a protective way. I don't know if that makes any sense, but that's how it feels while using the hair styler tool. I do really like it. Aesthetically, it's super, super pretty. Just my two little problems with it is that it's not too strong and the heat is also not too strong. The fact that you only have 3 levels, you don't really have too much control of it as well. Also, like I mentioned in the video, that if you want to style your hair with this, you have to take small sections in order for it to hold on to the actual curl and just kind of curl your hair. But so far, I do really like the way that this curled my hair. I really, really find it super nice. But is it strong enough as my liking? Not so much. This is definitely something that I feel like my mom would like, because my mom, she's somebody that just doesn't want to use too much heat on her hair, and I feel like this is kind of like perfect for her as well, especially because if your hair is thin or blonde or whatever, that your hair is not introduced to so much heat as well because of you know damaging hair and whatnot. But so far I really do like it, but it is something that is just more on the lighter side of the hairstyling that I normally like. But yeah, if you guys are interested in this, I will leave my affiliate link down below for you guys. You can go ahead and shop this tool. They were also super nice enough to provide you guys with a discount. You can use LBBYND 10 for 10% off the product and anything else that they have on their website as well. Also, they don't only have the 5-in-1 Hair Styler Pro tool on their website, they have other tools that you might be interested in as well. So check out the description box down below and happy shopping. Thank you so much, Hey Curls Toronto, for sending me your 5-in-1 hair styler tool. I really do like it. It is going to be something that I use when I don't want to put too much pressure on my hair, I guess, but I really did enjoy styling my hair with this, so thank you so much. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, just leave them all in the comments down below and I'll try my best to answer each and one of you guys. I love you guys so much and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!